Hi guys, again, I was looking at YouTube videos and I saw the people doing taste challenges, candy taste thing challenges, and I guess I wanted to try some, so I did. I went and I got some stuff that people like and I've never ever tried before in my life. I'm kind of scared to do this. I have mini wheats, chocolate flavored, because I like chocolate. I have a bag of these little snowdrop things that I don't even know what they are, and I have some of these little chocolate ball things, little chocolate balls. Supposedly they taste really good. And from my salt and ice challenge, this is what it looks like afterwards. You get a big mark from it, it looks like a C. I think I'm gonna try the mini wheats first. They smell good. They look like that. I guess they're cereal. They're in a cereal box, but they're a little dry considering you need milk. They do. Yeah, it's good. It's good. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would probably give it an 8 because it's a little dry, and I tried it with milk earlier, just a little piece of it with milk, and it was still dry. But I give it an 8. Next thing is, I'll take 2 of them because of how tiny they are. God, this hurts. These little chocolate ball things don't, that sounds wrong, but yeah, ew. How many people like these things? It's like sour chocolate with soury berry flavored. It doesn't taste so pleasury. On a scale from 1 to 10, guys, I give it a 4. And now for these little snow caps, whatever these. They smell very chocolatey. Hi, Boo. Hi, Boo. I really have no explanation for that, taste of, for that lack of flavor stuff. Oof. Scale from 1 to 10, guys, I have to give it a 2. They're just, ugh. Oh, and I left the other one that I've only tried one thing of on the kitchen table, so hold on 1 minute. Sorry guys, I was just getting the last two things that I had found and bought. I have butter cookies. Are they? They look. They smell good. They're like little rings. Little pinky rings. They're so cute. But yeah, oh my god. Oh my, I'm so, ew. It's like full on butter with a little sugar and milk. That is out of the ordinary. I have to give that a 1.5. And then the last thing on my list of things that I haven't tried before are Pepsi or Pepsi. I mean, it has a lot of calories in it, like 150 calories in this thing. I guess I could give this a try. I've only drinking one can of it, but it just tasted pretty weird. But I like straws. I actually like that. I give that one a 10. That's really good. Well guys, thank you for watching. This was a test tasting challenge thing. Yeah, I just wanted to try it and everything. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, comment, and subscribe, comment, and like for me. The next video would probably be of me playing a video game that I just got. Probably I might get a new one today, but yes, keep an eye out for that one. That'll be out soon. Yeah, like I said, my friend's at her dad's work right now, and she will be home soon. So yeah. Bye guys.